Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to submit your SSS certificate of separation. First, understand that this document is crucial for claiming your benefits after leaving employment. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring you have all the necessary information. This process helps the SSS accurately update your membership status and process any future claims efficiently. Let's get started with what you'll need to prepare. Before heading to the SSS office, ensure you have all your documents ready. The most important is your original certificate of separation, provided by your former employer. Additionally, you'll need at least 2 valid government-issued identification cards. These could include your passport, driver's license, or UMID card. Having your SSS ID or E6 form on hand can also significantly speed up the verification process. Make sure all documents are current and legible. Once your documents are complete, proceed to your nearest SSS branch office. Upon arrival, request and accurately fill out the SSS form specifically for separation or cessation of employment. Present all your prepared documents to the SSS representative for verification. They will review everything to ensure compliance. After submission, the processing typically takes about 5 to 10 business days, so keep your transaction slip for reference. After submitting your certificate, you can easily follow up on its status through the SSS website or by contacting their official hotline. Always retain photocopies of all documents you submit for your own records. This is a crucial step for any future inquiries. Remember, accurate and timely submission ensures your SSS records are updated correctly, which is vital for future benefit claims. And for more great deals, including the Kindle Paperwhite mentioned, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.